Hey guys, so I was starting to make some tofu. I thought I would show you guys how I do that because I've gotten some questions about tofu. People have had a lot of bad experiences. I have my tofu pressing. See all that water coming out? That'll help you get crispier tofu. But I have some peanut butter, and yes, it's upside down. It helps with it not getting hard, I guess. I don't know. I hope. And then we have some maple syrup and some soy sauce, and then some red chili flakes, which I'm pretty sure this is from like an old pizza order. I'm doing this for only half of a block of tofu because I used the other half this morning for tofu scramble, but if you want to do like for a full block, then just double this. So I will put the amounts that I am using for half, and then you can just double it. I don't know how much I'm gonna add. I'm just gonna do this to taste and hope it all doesn't fall out in here, because if it does, I'm gonna be really sad. I think that works. I'm about to spill it. Let me just put this down. Thank you guys for watching, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And also let me know any other videos that you want to see. Bye!